Okay. And guess what I got in the mail today? This. I know what it is. We're gonna open it up. It's that other crossbow. And they do package it well. Let's see. There it is, crossbow. I guess some assemblies required. Yep, there's the outer box. That's what it looks like. And we figure out how to put it together. Come with 3 arrows. One. There's 2. One of them frames and the arrows. And 3. They're kind of loose. I have to check them and make sure they're tight. Yeah, they're loose. There's the gold part. Gotta put the string on, I guess. There's this part. There we go. Let's see. Get it on here. Come with a foot stirrup. There goes that. And let's see, here's the string. And the Allen wrench. And the Allen screw that holds it. Should be. Well, I'm going to try to put it together. Because actually, I didn't buy this for myself. Kind of bought this from someone else. Believe it or not, my wife wants to get into some of this stuff. And there's a set screw. And the isolators. And I guess we gotta put the string on first. And put these little things on, I guess. I guess that's the way to put it on. Find the instructions and we'll find out. There's the instructions on the back. It says put the bow thing on first. And let's see here. What's this for? Well, you get the idea. It's going to take me a little assembly to get this on. It comes with its own foot stirrup. Pull back handle. And it's got a safety. We're going to figure this thing out. And I'm gonna pause this video. So actually I bought this for my wife, and we're gonna pause this video and we're gonna put this thing, have this thing together, and we're gonna attempt to shooting it. Hold on, and we'll be right back. It took 2 people, but we got it together. You ain't gonna put these together on by yourself. Like it's got some kind of wax on it, like the Barnett crossbow that I got. And I got me another cold steel knife. Well, these usually come sharp. I didn't get this from Bud K. I got this from Amazon. Bud K stopped selling them. And it's packaged the same way the old other one I got is. Bubble wrap. Bud K's not the only place to get knives. Amazon is. So I said I was going to get another one of these cold steel knives, because these things come razor sharp. Got some kind of grease on there. I better be careful. I cut my finger before on this, on the old one. But that's the cold steel knife. The second one I got. She's stuck together. There it goes. I think I'm going to use that hunting. That'd be good gutting deer. Cold steel knife. I like them things. And this. Can't get my big feet in the stirrup. But that's what it looks like cocked back. Then you put one of these arrows in there. I need to go get my target out of the house first before I go to shooting this thing. And it's got an 80-pound pull back. And you got to put your feet in the stirrup to pull it back, of course. And we'll go inside and get my target, my deer target. And we'll try this thing out in the next video. If you like these videos, click subscribe. If you like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.